This heater pad does a reliable job of keeping recreational vehicle holding tanks from freezing in harsh winter conditions, so your water system stays usable when temperatures plunge well below the freezing point. The generous rectangular size is well suited for tanks up to 50 gallons, giving good coverage and even warmth instead of leaving cold spots along the bottom of the tank. A built-in thermostat automatically cycles the pad on in cold weather and off once things warm up, which helps prevent overheating and avoids wasting battery power. The internal insulation layer helps the pad spread heat evenly across its surface, so the tank wall warms gradually and consistently rather than in concentrated hot patches. Installation is straightforward for most do-it-yourself owners, as the adhesive backing bonds securely when the tank surface is cleaned properly before application. Because this package includes 2 heater pads, it works well for larger rigs or for owners who want to protect both fresh and waste tanks at the same time.